Hey there, and welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops. Today is a really exciting day here at the workshop because I'm on the way right now to pick up the new trailer. You know, I told you in the previous video, you can see up here, I bought a little Bushwhacker trailer, and it's part of a bigger project that I'm going to be announcing pretty soon. But anyway, today I'm on the way to pick it up, and I'm really excited. So first thing I got to do is stop and get the old beast here washed. You know, the cherry bomb's looking pretty dirty these days, so I don't want to be doing any videos, and I don't want to disrespect the new trailer by showing up with a dirty cherry bomb. So let's get to it. It's going to be fun.
Would you like to have a receipt? Please wait while your card. You have purchased the best wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
There she is, sitting in there. This is pretty awesome. Back around here and see what they want me to do. You 6 or 8 inch rise.
We're about 19 right now. We'll be about 23.
Accessory box. I have to figure out what that's all about. This is pretty cool. I'm really excited about this. Oh, I see. Sewer line, and I don't have sewer, but maybe that's something else. Cool. Nice. Ah, I see it's plugged in here. Sweet. Yeah, it looks real good.
And to get you out of here, I have to legally put it on your hitch pin.
Yep. Got my temporary plate. That means it's real. It's gonna be fun. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go camping yet, but I might sleep in it tonight. Hey Jeremy, how you doing?
What's up, buddy? You ready to rock and roll?
Yeah, I am.
Let's get you a suit.
He went out there and he showed me everything out there, and what are you getting me?
A suit for paperwork.
Oh, Sue. Yeah. He needed something about that plug, you know, the converter. And then I sign here.
You sign right there.
All right. Awesome. And then again. All right. Oh, I see.
Let's have white right
Yeah.
now.
Let me do now.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. I bought a trailer. Yay.
So Brett, go ahead and let's try this. Hopefully that works out okay.
Well, I gotta say, it was a bit of an ordeal getting the wiring working, and to be honest with you, we really didn't get the wiring working yet, so I've taken the chance driving it back without it, which isn't a problem because it's broad daylight and I don't have, you know, I'm just on back roads, that kind of thing. So anyway, yeah, this is it. This is his inaugural drive right now. It's behind me. And I'm just waiting until all the traffic passes here before I take off. But back there. All right, here we go. Go little trailer. Oh man, it feels great. It's way lighter than my. Sorry about that. It's way lighter than my dark room trailer. It doesn't even feel like it's behind the car. It's fantastic. All right. Wow. Good to go. what do? I just pass the sheriff without my trailer lights.